In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move stop loss in Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to adjust your existing stop loss quickly using the chart, or by editing the order from the trading panel. First, use drag and drop directly on the chart. With your active trade visible, move your mouse over the SL line on your chart. When the cursor highlights the SL line, click and hold. Now drag the SL line up or down to your desired price level. Watch the price label that appears next to the line so you land on the exact level you want. When the line is where you need it, release the mouse button to update. The stop loss moves immediately to that new price. If you need to fine-tune it, hover again, click, and drag to adjust. This method is fast and reliable when you can see your levels clearly on the chart. Next, modify the order from the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Click on your active trade in the panel to select it. Then click the modify or pencil icon to open the edit window. In the stop loss field, manually enter the new price you want for the SL. If you prefer, you can enter a pip value instead. A pip is a small fixed unit of price movement, useful if you already know the distance you want from your entry. As you type, confirm that the new number reflects the exact level or distance you intend. Close the panel when you're done. Your stop loss is now set to the value you entered. To recap the chart method, this is best when you want a visual adjustment. Hover the SL line, click and hold, drag to your target price, and release to update. You can watch how the price level changes in real time as you move the line. This helps prevent placing the stop loss a few ticks off by mistake. If your chart is zoomed out, zoom in briefly to make precise placement easier, then drag and release at the exact price you need. To recap the trading panel method, this is ideal when you want a specific number. Click the active trade, click the modify or pencil icon, and type the new stop loss price or the pip distance. This ensures accuracy when you're following a plan that uses fixed levels. Double-check the value before you finish, so the stop loss matches your intended risk. Both methods change only the stop loss level. Your entry and take profit remain as they are. If you're moving the stop closer to current price, remember it may get triggered sooner if the market pulls back. If you're moving it further away, confirm that the new level still aligns with your risk rules. The goal is to place the stop where it protects your position without being moved unintentionally. If you don't see your SL line on the chart at first glance, make sure you're viewing the instrument and time frame where the trade is open. Then try the hover and drag action again. If the trading panel is hidden, move your cursor to the bottom of the screen and open it so you can select the active trade and use the modify icon. At this point, you've moved your stop loss in Tradingview using both drag and drop on the chart and by editing it through the trading panel. Your updated stop loss is now in place and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.